Making money with online travel can be approached in various ways, leveraging different skills and interests. Here are some methods. Travel blogging, vlogging, write about travel experiences, tips, guides, and reviews. Monetize through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Vlogging, create travel videos and share them on platforms like YouTube. Earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and product placements. Affiliate marketing, promote travel-related products and services, flights, hotels, travel gear, and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral links. Join affiliate programs like Booking.com, Expedia, or Amazon. Travel consulting and planning, offer personalized travel planning services, including itinerary creation, booking accommodations, and activity suggestions. You can charge a fee for your expertise and time. Sell travel photos and videos. If you are a skilled photographer or videographer, sell your travel images and videos to stock photo websites, travel magazines, or directly to clients. Create and sell travel products. Develop and sell travel-related products such as ebooks, travel guides, or custom travel merchandise. Dropshipping travel gear. Set up an online store selling travel gear and accessories through a dropshipping model where you don't have to hold inventory. Offer online travel courses. Create and sell online courses teaching others how to travel hack, plan trips on a budget, or start a travel blog vlog. Freelance writing and content creation. Write travel articles for magazines, websites, or other travel bloggers. Offer content creation services like social media management for travel brands. Remote travel jobs. Work as a remote travel agent, customer service representative for travel companies, or in other remote positions related to the travel industry. Host experiences or tours. Use platforms like Airbnb Experiences to offer unique tours or experiences in your local area or destinations you frequently visit. Social media influencing. Build a strong social media presence and collaborate with travel brands for sponsored posts and partnerships. Travel app development. Develop and monetize a travel-related app, such as a travel planner, language guide, or travel journal. Membership sites and subscriptions. Create a membership site offering premium travel content, exclusive deals, and personalized travel advice. Tips for success. 1. Build an audience. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content to attract and retain an audience. 2. Network. Connect with other travel influencers, brands, and industry professionals to grow your reach. 3. Diversify income streams. Don't rely on a single method. Combine several strategies to maximize your earnings. 4. Stay authentic. Authenticity resonates with audiences and builds trust, which is crucial for long-term success. Would you like more detailed information on any of these methods?